Hi, my name is Professor Lihi Adler-Abramovich. Come and visit my laboratory of bioinspired materials and nanotechnology. We are developing nanomaterials, and these materials can be used for bone regeneration, specifically in the field of dental medicine, but they can also be used for regeneration of other organs. When we are young, bone can regenerate very fast, but when we get older, our healing ability is lower. So we are trying in the lab to produce new materials that can induce bone regeneration. We design the materials, we synthesize them and test them in the laboratory. Then we 3D print them to make a personalized scaffold to induce bone regeneration. These materials will be used to treat bone fractures, especially for the elderly population. Burn centers in hospitals will use our materials to help skin to heal after major burn injuries. In this room, we actually do the study. We are using microfluidic device like this one to study the self-assembly of the nanomaterial. We test their biological, chemical, and physical properties using microscope. These materials can be used also for drug delivery and slow release. Possibilities are limitless. The nanomaterials that we develop can affect and improve our quality of life and improve healthy aging. Where do we go from here? So we continue our collaboration with the hospitals and with clinicians. And together with industry, we would like to take these new materials that we develop in the lab to the next level and to actually treat the patients. We would like to treat patients in Israel and worldwide, and this can really make an impact.